Hi everyone, my name is Ben, and today we'll be taking a look at what's in the box of the new Pioneer VREC-H520DC dual channel drive recorder. Let's check it out. Firstly, we have the Pioneer VREC-H520DC. We have the rear camera including mounting bracket. We have a windscreen cleaning film. This is used to remove any small particles off the glass prior to installation. We have a cigarette lighter power adapter. This plugs directly into any available cigarette lighter socket in the vehicle to provide power to the unit. If wiring the unit with the optional Pioneer RDHWK300 hardwire kit, this item will not be utilised. We have a USB-A to USB-C power cable. This runs from the cigarette lighter plug to the unit itself. Again, if wiring with the optional Pioneer hardwire kit, this item will not be utilised. A USB to USB power cable used to run from the front camera to the rear camera, providing both power and data. We have a windscreen mounting bracket with adhesive pad already attached. And you also have a 128GB micro SD card, which is inserted into the side of your VREC-H520DC. And last but not least, the Pioneer VREC-H520DC Quick Start Guide to assist you in setting up your drive recorder. And there you have it. That's what's in the box of the Pioneer VREC-H520DC compact dual channel drive recorder. For more information, visit your nearest authorised Pioneer retailer or our website today.